Hello everyone, this is Hannah Magat, property consultant of DMCI Homes. I'm here right now in the roof deck area of Infina Towers, which is located in Quezon City. As you see here, you can see the beautiful view, especially the new condo unit of the Oriana, which will be turned over this year for the North Tower, and the South Tower will be turned over around next year for ready for occupancy. As you see in this building, the North Tower is already almost done in construction. Then this is the South Tower. I cannot believe it, it's already very soon the ready for occupancy of this condo. This is located near the LRT in Anona Station. Then you can see the other building of Infina Towers, and it's near the School of National College of Business and Arts. It's very near and convenient. The view is very beautiful. I really love it. Especially when I see the new condo that is right across us, which is the Oriana. It's like the Oriana and Infina Towers are really neighbors because they're just near each other. If you want to know more inquiries, feel free to message me in the contact details below. See you guys in the next tour. Bye!